All right, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is to create your free web hosting account. And to do that, you can click the link below this video or visit kobopress.com and click the login sign up button. So once you do that, you'll be taken to the login screen. Here, as a first time user, click create an account and enter your email address. After entering your email address, set a password for your account. Confirm the password. Agree to the terms and conditions and click create an account. So in the next window, you'll be required to fill in some brief information about yourself. Choose individual, click your full name, or choose your full name and enter your country, phone number, your address, your state, and click continue. In the next step, an email will be sent to the email address you choose in order to confirm that you can receive emails to that address. So open your email and click the link inside the email to verify your account. Okay, this is the email. You click the link to verify your account. But once the account verification is complete, you'll be redirected to your control panel. But that's fine. Your email is verified. You have created your web hosting account, and we need to first of all add your 1 year free web hosting package to your account before you can do anything here. But you can click client area to see the hosting services that are available. So these are the hosting services available in your control panel. But something is missing here. Let me show you what that is. Manage services and your hosting package. We have not added your 1 year hosting package to your account, so you won't be able to see this here. You see that in your account, this option is not there yet. We are going to do this manually, so you give us like 15 minutes to activate your 1 year free hosting account. We are doing this manually in order to avoid the abuse of our system. So once you wait for 15 minutes, you should see that icon there. Otherwise, you can contact us, preferably in our Facebook group, and we will quickly activate your 1 year free hosting account so you can continue with your website setup process. So once we have activated your hosting package, you're going to see this when you log into your control panel from the client area. You should see all of this. To set up your website, you will need to click hosting under manage services. Once you click on that hosting icon, it is going to open up this window where you'll see two buttons at the top right of your screen. One of it is add hosting. So click on it and enter the domain under enter domain name. So remember, we said you can create free subdomains and set up your website on it and add a custom domain in the future when you're ready to register a domain. So for now, let me quickly show you how to generate a free subdomain with the KoboPress hosting platform. So what you need to do is enter kobopress.com where you see enter domain name, enter the name of our domain, which is kobopress.com. So we have configured our platform in such a way that you can generate any subdomain on it and set up your website. So once you enter our uh, hosting platform address here, add your subdomain to the beginning of it. Let me say I want to create a website in my name. My name is Celestine. I'm going to enter celestine.kobopress.com. So this is the subdomain that I want to generate. So having entered that, move down to select allowance and choose the hosting package that you have been given. So once you've chosen that, under select allowance, click add hosting. So it is going to generate that subdomain for you so you can install your website on it. So that is fine. The subdomain is generated. It's going to appear here now. This is the subdomain that you've generated, celestine.kobopress.com. So now let us install WordPress on this subdomain and set up our website. To do that, click Manage. Once you click Manage, it's going to open up this window with several options. So what we want to do here is scroll down to the bottom of the window. We are going to come to all of these options in subsequent lessons, but for now, move to the end of this window where you'll see one click installs and click on WordPress. So once you click on WordPress, click install WordPress in the next window. So WordPress is being installed on the subdomain that you generated. This is going to take a few seconds, less than 15 seconds. Your WordPress is installed on the domain. So you need to click on the domain name. This is the web address. You need to click on it to complete the WordPress installation process. But once you click on it, it's going to open up this window, and English is selected by default for you as your language. You click continue. Now enter the title of the site. Let's say Celestine, which is my name. Enter a username. Enter a website, a password for your website. Enter your email address. And click install WordPress. So WordPress is going to be installed quickly on that domain, and that is that. So now the next thing is to log into this website that you've created. So click the login button there. Here in this window, enter the email address that you used during the WordPress setup process and the password. So this will take you to the WordPress admin dashboard. So you have basically set up a WordPress website on a subdomain. This is the subdomain celestine.kobopress.com. So you can visit that address on your browser and see the website that you have created. So if you enter that on the browser, it's going to take you to the site. This is your website. We've created a live website, but it's still very basic. And you can create pages and customize this website. But what we want to do is quickly import a template so we can save a lot of time instead of doing everything manually. Let's go back to our dashboard and import a template so we can quickly just edit and customize it and have our website ready in no time. So from your dashboard menu, point to appearances and click themes, click add new theme, and it's going to take you to the WordPress repository where you're going to see a lot of themes. So for the purpose of this tutorial, you just scroll a little down to where you see Blocksy. This is the theme we are going to install, one of my favorites, alongside Astra and Cadence. So scroll down to Blocksy and click install. The theme is being installed. The next thing is to activate it. Once you activate the theme, you also need to install the Blocksy companion that is being installed. So now in this window, click Starter Sites. This is going to take you to a list of pre-designed starter sites. Beautiful. These sites cut across different categories. So you can click on any one of your choice and import it. So this is the one I want to import now. You can preview it to see how it looks like before you import. Or quickly just import it. Tick to install a child theme. These are available page builders. You can choose Gutenberg or Elementor, whichever suits you. For the purpose of this lesson, let me choose Gutenberg. Click Next. Next, Install. So that theme is being installed. So we're importing the starter template, which is a completely designed or pre-designed website. It makes the work easier for you. It's going to take a few seconds, and once the installation is complete, fantastic, you can preview this site to see how it looks. Beautiful. This is how to create a website with WordPress. You've set up your hosting account, you created a subdomain. Now you've installed WordPress and imported a template. So this site, you can edit every page on this website visually from your WordPress dashboard. You can also customize the look and feel of that website. You can change the color scheme. You can add your own logo. You can rebrand that website completely and also edit every information on this page. Add your own media, change everything here to reflect your own branding and identity. We're going to be doing that in subsequent lessons. But for now, I wanted to practice what you have just learned. Create your hosting account, and we're going to activate 1 year of free hosting for you. Create a subdomain, install WordPress, and install a theme and import a starter template. So if you have any issues, you can let us know in the Facebook group so we can address any issue you have. So I'll see you in the next class.